What do you love to spend time doing? And if you're a property investor, does your property portfolio give you time or take your time? Commercial property investment is often overlooked as a niche, usually down to lack of knowledge, but offers high profits, cash flowing from day one, 30% plus capital uplift without physical development works if you don't want to do them, and direct pension investment. If that's interesting to you and you are free this Thursday, the 11th of April from 5:30 p.m, I will be joining Mani Chopra and her amazing team at the Titans property event. Live in person, my first property talk of 2024, fresh back from my travels, which is what I love to do in New York this time, raring to go and give you all the tips and tricks that I, as a commercial surveyor and commercial property investor, have learned and want to share with you about the market, including lots of case studies to bring that to life. I'll be there. Face to face is always best, ready to connect and answer your questions and help you if I can. This Thursday, the 11th of April from 5:30 p.m, join me at Titans.